Hey guys, don't make this mistake. Don't design your space for just one season. Fall is almost here. Absolutely my favorite time of the year. No humidity, no bugs, nice cool evenings. You can turn on the fire, you can turn on the heaters, beautiful warm days. You open the louvers, get in the sun. In this video, we're gonna go through some of the really key things that you wanna design into your space so that you can use it all year round. So check out all these cool design ideas that we do to make sure that fall is absolutely perfect on your deck. So the star of the show in any outdoor living space for me is fire. Fire is alive, it draws people outside. You have the fire on, people just naturally walk outside. They want to go sit by the fire. It's in our DNA. It's a really, really important part of a project in any form, whether that's torches or a fireplace or a fire table. So when you think about your space, think about how fire fits in, how that is going to be a focal point of your space, because it will be a focal point of your space. Another key element to outside is outdoor entertainment. Football in the fall, tailgating on the deck is awesome. Movie night on the deck with the kids, big bowls of popcorn, everybody under blankets, heaters on, fires on, and watching movies till late at night is just absolutely awesome. For all of this to work, you need a covered space. You can't really build an outdoor living room without a roof. You can mount your heaters, you can mount your ceiling fans. It protects all your stuff from the rain. It blocks out the sun in the summertime. Whether it's a flat roof, a gable roof, a louvered roof, there's all different styles that you can do that will tie into the architecture and fit your lifestyle. Next thing we got to talk about, it's integrated lighting. Lighting in the steps, lighting in the patio, landscape lighting around the project. All this low voltage lighting that gives a super cool ambiance, it cannot be undervalued. For instance, we do a fireplace, we'll do lighting off of the corners of the fireplace. Elements like that enhance and brighten the space. You can't just do lighting as an afterthought. You need to plan it from the beginning so that you know how it's gonna work out and that you can put in the infrastructure so you can get the lighting to where you want it to be. I really hope you guys like what you saw. I hope it inspires you to create a beautiful space for your family. Warmth, comfort, connection, that's what it's all about. And creating a space for that to happen, that's what we want to do. If you need our help, give us a call, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.